Hi children, today we are doing a lovely topic. What is that? Nouns. At home, you look around, you have lots of things. Everything can be given a name. Yes? Like table, chair, fan, light, clock, anything. Mommy's kitchen, bedroom, anything. There are whatever is in the house, you can give a name. Chair, that's a noun. Yes, fan, it's a noun. So like that, we are going to talk about nouns today. Whether in the house or outside the house or in the school, anywhere you go, on the road, you have a lot of vehicles. You can name them. Bus, car, cycle, and so on. So today we are going to look at nouns. When you say nouns, anything can be named. Yes, you can name. A lot of people come to your house in the morning. Who are they? Milkman, vegetable vendor, fruit seller, and so on. So we have people who bring milk, milkman. It's a common name, yes? Vegetable vendor, fruit vendor, they are all common. Yes? Now, when you say noun, a noun is the name of a person. Noun, now, I'm a teacher. I'm a lady. Yes? Mommy, mommy is a person. Daddy, that is a person. Grandma. Yes? Okay. So a noun is the name of a person. Place. Where do you live? Place. Chennai. Or whichever street you live. Yes? Place. The place where you live. Animal. Any animal. What do you keep in your house? Cat, dog, hen, anything. Okay? Or things. All things in the house. Everything, water bottle, mug, chair, table, anything can be named. So, noun, a noun is the name of a person, place where you live, animal or thing. Now, common, chair can be any chair, person, mommy, anybody's mommy. Baby, any baby. Place, any place where you live. Yes? Animal, lots of animals you see. Big and small. Yes? Things, all things in the house. So that's a noun. Now in noun, we can divide the nouns to common and proper. Yes? Yes, let's look at. When you say common noun, now we say daddy, common. Any daddy can be daddy. Everybody has daddy. Yes? Nurse, any doctor, any teacher, any student. Common name. Yes? Common name. So, let's look at the common noun. Look carefully. We're looking at name that's given in common. A general name given to the same kind of people. When you say people, say teacher. Yes? Mommy, nurses, grandparents. Now, places. Common name given to place, streets and things like that. Animals. Sheep, cow, dogs, cat, common. Things, all things in the house, common, is known as common noun. Anything in general. Alright? Cut. So we are looking at nouns. Now we are looking at common noun. Now there are special nouns, names given to people, person, places. That's called proper noun. In proper noun, you have to write the proper nouns in capital letters. Now, let's look at the proper nouns. Okay, let's look at the common nouns first before we go into proper. Common noun, baby. B-A-B-Y, baby, common baby. They can be baby in your house, they can be a baby in the neighborhood, they can be baby in the next street. Baby, any baby, girl baby, boy baby, any baby you say. Baby, it's a common noun. Name baby given to girl or boy, any baby. Alright, good. Let's look at another common noun. Here we are, girl. Girl. In the class, there are a lot of girls, okay? Girl, common noun. All girls go to school. All girls go to play. Girl. Girls in this house, girls in the next house, girls in the next street. Girl is a common noun. What about boy? Common noun. Girls and boys go to school. Yes. Let's look at this. King. Any king. Common noun. Queen. Any queen. Any prince. Any princess. So king is a common noun. King of this land. King of foreign land. Any place. Look. Let's look at another common noun. Here we are. Tailor. When you say tailor, there are tailors. Mommy can be a tailor. There are tailors in this street, tailors in the other street, tailor, all tailors. There are lady tailors. There are also men tailors, tailor. They are helpers. Now, this is a common noun. Tailor, cobbler, nurses, doctors, vegetable vendor, milkman, policeman. All these are common nouns. Let's look at another common noun. Beach, place. We're talking about place. Beach, park. Alright? Beach, park, playground, anything. Go to big places to see movie or to play about. So beach is a common noun. It can be a small beach, big beach. Common noun. Any place that's got a little place, sandy place, we say that's beach. Common. Good. Let's look at another common noun. Here we are, market. It can be any market. It can be vegetable market, fish market, any market, anywhere. Every village has a market where you go buy things. At the market, it can be a vegetable market, it can be a fruit market, it can be a fish market, meat, anything, or milk market, market. So market, the word market, it's a common noun. Let's look at another common noun. Here we are, park. Wherever we go, there are parks, small parks and big parks, where people go, children go to play, old people go to relax. Park. Parks. Why do they have parks? To keep greenery, oxygen, for you to breathe and play and be happy. Lovely fresh air at the park. Park is a common noun. Let's look at another common noun. Look. Temple. There are lots of temples, especially Tamil Nadu is the land of temples. Wherever we go, there are temples where people go to pray, to worship. Small temples, big temples, huge temples, okay? So temple is a common noun. Let's go on looking at another common noun. Now, tiger is an animal. Tiger, all tigers. Tiger, lion, elephant, all these are common nouns. Zebras, monkeys, Good. Let's look at another common noun. So tiger is a common noun. Cow. It can be any cow. Yes? You can have lots of cows in your house. You can have lots of cows in your friend's house. Cow is a common noun. Alright? Good. Let's look at another common noun. Here you have elephant. Elephants. Common noun. There are elephants in this zoo, elephants in that temple. There are elephants in the big forest. Elephants are common nouns. Let's go on to look at more common nouns. Bull. It can be a huge black bull, brown bull. All bulls are common nouns. Alright? Where do you find them? Sometimes you keep them at home. Some are found in the forest. Huge, terrible bulls. Yes, common noun. The bull is a common noun. A name given to all bulls. Good. Let's go on. Here. Next we have chair. It can be any chair. Armchair, baby chair. Yes. Plastic chair or wooden chair. Metal chair, chair. Chair is a chair. Something to sit on. Big, small, large, anything, chair. It's a common name given to four-legged item where you sit comfortably. It can be made of metal, wood, plastic, anything, right? Anything, okay? So chair is a common noun. Let's look at some more common nouns. Look, clock, wall clock of different shape and size and color. Clock is a common noun. You hang the clock on the wall. Every house has a clock. Classroom. Good. So clock is a common noun. Let's look at some more. Here you have a hat. Yes, it can be hat of different size, color. Hat is a hat. It's a common name given to something that you wear to protect yourself from the sun or rain. Hat. People who ride horses, they wear hats like this. People who go out in the sun, they wear hats like this to keep your head away from the sharp sun. Hat is a common noun. Next, jug. There are items in the house. Jugs, bottles, glasses, anything. So jug is a common noun. Jug can be made of porcelain. It can be a silver. It can be any metal. It can be plastic. Jug is a common noun. Good.